what a qualified vendor list is, the manufacturer of the motherboard has tested certain RAM and verified that it works with their motherboard. Untested RAM, they don't know if it works or not. So if you're investing a lot of money in a system and you want to make sure, without a doubt, that the RAM you're buying 100% has been tested by the motherboard manufacturer to be compatible, then buy the RAM on the QVL list. And not just the QVL list in the motherboard manual, because that's outdated. Go to the website because it's updated. There's probably 10,000 different RAM modules that can be used. The motherboard manufacturer doesn't have the time or resources to test every RAM module on the market. And some of the RAM modules they tested aren't even available for sale anymore. And new RAM modules that weren't out when they did the testing are available. So, the bottom line is, when RAM is on the QVL list, it's been tested to work. When RAM is not on the QVL list, it has not been tested to work. That's all that means. Doesn't mean it won't work. It means they haven't tested it, and they probably never will. Because this is Corsair memory, it's a big name brand RAM manufacturer, and the speeds of the RAM I know are compatible with what the board uses, I feel very confident we're not going to have any RAM issues. When there's new technology, like when AMD releases a new chip, oftentimes it's very sensitive to the RAM that's being used, and there's often a lot of BIOS updates that come out to help increase the tolerance allowed. But at first, and especially with new technology, it can be pretty darn important you get the right RAM, or you're dealing with issues. That's the joy you get for being first. This is a 9th generation Intel chip. And so RAM isn't really a mystery as far as how to make it work. Most RAM is going to work just fine on an Intel system as long as it's meeting the speeds required at a bare minimum. And then beyond that, it should also be fine. Maybe could be an incompatibility with XMP. Highly unlikely on a system that's been mature for 9 generations. More likely on newer technology.